Hi guys, it is me Platinum Diner. Welcome back to my channel. The weather is so hot here in Middle East, but the good news is it is mango season and I decided to show you how you can make mangoes with just 3 ingredients. First, you peel off the mango skin. As you can see me do here, it is so easy. Just take off the skin of the mangoes. You can do this with a chopping board or on a chopping board, or just follow my lead, peel off. As you can see, when you're done peeling off, you take right the next step. Guys, this is just a simple recipe. You can do this. Every of my recipes are so easy, you can just do this. And before we continue, please hit the like button, send this video a like, send it a thumbs up, guys. So let's continue. Guys, you can see this mango is so ripe. Yes, you go for the very ripe mangoes. When I got these mangoes, they were just not so ripe. I had to leave them for a few days to allow them ripen, and now this is what we have. It is so easy to slice in. I slice into it and separate the fleshy mango from the seeds. Guys, here are the seeds. These are just the seeds. I'll be discarding them, just nothing much. And I have the fleshy mangoes in my blender. I blend it thoroughly, give it a blend, like blend it thoroughly. You don't have to see the lumpy fleshy skins or feel the lumpy fleshy skins. This is just what the blended looks like. The mangoes are already perfect. Look at it, blended mangoes, so perfect. I really love mangoes so much. I'm done blending, guys, and I have an empty bowl and 4 sachets of whipping powder with some cold milk. This is about 2 cups of cold milk. You pour in the whipping powder into the cold milk and then you whip with a hand mixer, guys. The mixer does a perfect job at this. Any of your mixers, the hand mixer is just perfect, so smooth and easy. We have to whip this cold milk and whipping powder till it is fluffy. When you look at it, you see, okay, I think it is fluffy. It looks fluffy. This process doesn't take time. It is so easy. I make easy recipes of everything I eat. You don't have to sleep in the kitchen for too long. That is why I love easy recipes. Guys, you can see the whipping powder has changed. It is getting fluffier. It was just liquid the other time and now it is fluffy. Don't leave me here high and dry. All done with the mixing, I pour the mango into the whipped cream. Guys, remember the blended mangoes? Yes, I have them now in the bowl. I mix them together with the help of the hand mixer to give it that perfect finish. Smooth finish, smooth mixing. Another thing I love is the color. It was once a darker shade of yellow, but now it's light yellow. Guys, this ice cream is so good and so easy to make. You will love it. Now we are done. This is what we have. I get a container and I pour it into the container. This is a liquid form of the ice cream, guys. You know how ice creams are. So here I have it in the container and I'll be storing it away in the freezer for about 4 hours or more if you want, depending on how your freezer works. I also have some popsicle containers. I fill them up. This is specially for the kids. In honesty, anybody can have this, including the adults, but the kids love this. The weather is so hot, so once they're back from the playground, they have something to, snack on or have in order to cool the hotness on their bodies. This is so good to make. I love this so much. I love this recipe. Easy mango ice cream recipe. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. Guys, it's about the hour, I get the container of mango ice cream out of the freezer and I serve myself. Guys, I couldn't just wait. I love this so much. Guys, this is what we have. Look at it, so cool, so neat. I sprinkle some colorful Skittles on it to give it that pop of color. Guys, I just scooped this ice cream without any finesse. I wasn't looking for anything fancy. I just wanted to have ice cream. So this is what we have, guys. Guys, did you enjoy watching this recipe? Please don't forget to hit the likes and the thumbs up. I need to see all of them, guys. And for the popsicles, this is just it. Everyone loves this ice cream. The kids love it, adults love it. Thank you for watching, and please do have a beautiful day ahead.